that I haven't posted a video for a while. It's just my video editor took a shit. So I bought a new one. Well, I edit on my iPod, so don't have to transfer computer, so I bought a new app. Yeah, I'm good to go. Splice video editor, that's what I was using, but it took a shit. It's good, but it doesn't last that long. So, as you can see from the title, we're going to be building a welding cart. The one I have it on is just like random ass shit. I'll tell you what it is. It's just some filing cabinet, the bottom rolly thing, with a piece of screen welded on, and just some random piece of metal welded on for loops and shit. I could put a lock on it because my brother likes to steal my shit. So, first off, you want to do for this, I need a 10-foot piece of this kind of metal with the holes. Or you don't need this, but you need a 10-foot length of just like angle. Needs to be like inch angle, I think this is, or inch and a half or something. I don't know. I got measuring tape out. Dark in here. Yeah, inch and a half. Has to be inch and a half angle. Doesn't need the holes, but yeah. So first thing you want to do is take your fancy measuring tape. Measure across that way. This is 9, and you always want to get like a little over. So I marked it out already. 9.5. You want to go like half inch over, and this one is 19. So I'll go 19.5. So you still have a little playing room. So you're gonna need 10-foot piece of this, and a depending on how high you want the welder up, I have a 6-foot piece of like only a half-inch angle. Work pretty good. 6 feet, or I'm using 6 feet. So, and it's gonna be like a shelf on the bottom. That's where it'll be like metal storage, and then on the top, that's where your welder is. It'll make more sense as I'm building it. So for the bottom, you want the same side dimension, which mine is 9.5. Oh, on this you want 2 side places, or what I'm building, 2 sides, and I only did 1 for the back, so the front doesn't have a blocker on it. Trust me, it'll make more sense later, but that's what I did. And for the bottom shelf, measure out 9.5, or however long your welder is this way. 9.5, you're going to need 2 of them. 2 9.5 marks. And then whatever your welder is this side, this way, add a foot to it for a tank, which I don't have now, but I'm going to use this when I have make. So, what I got here, I got marked out. This is 19.5. 9.5. 19.5. This mark. Next mark. Right here, 19.5. This is 31 because I added 12 inches. This is 31 inches. And I ran out of metal there, but 19.5 right there, I think. I'm gonna find more metal. I have some, but yeah. So you're gonna want some extra metal. And the wheels I'm using, I bought these at a Home Depot on sale. Swivel wheels, just 1 bolt on top. I'm gonna be using welding nuts, the little flat things with the threads on the inside. For the back wheels, I have these from an old project. More swivel wheels. I was going to weld them solid, but why would I do that? No point. So yeah, that's what's going to be going on in this video. After you get all the supplies, or watch this video first. I'm going to be using black paint, and yeah. Get all your metal cut out. You make sure you get the right pieces that hold your welder. It's out of the holy pieces. I don't know what to call it. You make sure you square it up right. This is the front because you don't have that. You don't have the back plate. Make sure you got a good ground. square it up, you tack weld it, then you make sure the welder fits in that. Then you fully weld it up, and then after that, I'll show you what it looks like. Just I got fully welded up. I test fitted it. I want to add a little more support, so galvanized rod, and I welded it up. First, you want to grind off the galvanized. So that's this looks like. See it at 45-degree angles and do all that. So then, I took the 2 long pieces that go in the back. I took the welding nuts, you cut through a hole, welded it up, and screwed your wheel on. Yeah, that was both sides. And I went ahead and bought one of these a while ago. Then these ones, the other wheels that you got, I'm welding these on the back because I don't feel like bolting them. And if you have all like the same wheels, then just bolt it on or whatever you want to do, but that's what I got. Now I gotta weld this to the other side. Make sure you don't get slag all in your wheel. Got a little bit, but whatever. There you go. Hey guys, next day obviously. I finished it up last night. Well, kind of self-explanatory after that last step I did. Well, I went ahead and I scrapped a bucket of aluminum. Got 11 bucks. So that'll be going towards the quad. Let's get that done. It's actually 60 bucks worth of parts for that, so I only have like 20 bucks to go on it. So basically, where I left off last time, I think it was this. Oh no, it was welding the wheels on, I think. I don't know. But if you use the same stuff as mine did, you ran short. I remember I adjusted that. So, got a little piece of flat bar that I had laying around. Weld that to the front at the right size, like 9.5 I think it is for this one. And for the back, I left a little gap on each side, so I still have support in the back. And this is where the make tank is going to go. So yeah. And you can lay down a piece of wood or more metal or whatever you want. I don't know what I'm doing yet for that. And after that, now you have your 2 supports. So what you want to do first, flip over the part that holds your welder, which is the little angles that, sorry about that, my memory just ran out. But so the first thing you want to do is weld the 1.5 feet. If you have the same angles and shit. 1.5 feet. First you weld it to the top part. Then you place it in. Up on the front you weld it on the corner. Weld on the corner, on the outside. On the back you weld it on the inside. Because it's way stronger that way. It's a little top heavy, but once I have steel on the bottom and all that, it'll straighten itself out. Or, yeah, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I hope you like the welding cart build, and I'm thinking if there's anything else. That's pretty much it. Then you can weld hooks on the side. I got this from my other one, some redneck shit. Weld hooks on the side, do whatever you want after that, so that's basically it. So, comment, rate, subscribe, and see you guys later.
Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise.